Did you know your brain was never designed to stare at glowing rectangles all day? Yet here we are, scrolling, switching, and multitasking, only to wonder, why am I tired, anxious, or distracted even when I have done nothing? Let's uncover what screen time is really doing to your mind. Screens are powerful tools, but overuse comes at a cost. Mental fatigue, poor focus, emotional imbalance, and lower sleep quality are just a few consequences. Your brain is constantly stimulated but rarely rested. Your mind craves rhythm, rest, nature, and depth. With screen overload, you face a shortened attention span, disrupted sleep cycles because blue light blocks melatonin, dopamine addiction from endless scrolling, and emotional numbness. You don't just lose time on screens, you lose mental sharpness. Ask yourself, do I check my phone even when I do not need to? Do I feel tired after resting on a screen? These are signs of overstimulation burnout. The mind needs silence to hear itself. Try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Avoid screens an hour before sleep. Replace scrolling with sunlight or a mindful walk. Schedule screen breaks. How do you feel after hours of screen time? Share your thoughts and nourish your mind.